So for our slime today, we have some saline solution, some white school glue, a couple different sizes of measuring. We got a cup, a tablespoon, and a teaspoon, our spatula. We're going to use some food coloring, but you can also use paint to color your slime, and some baking soda. Alright, we're going to get our recipe and start mixing. Alright, so the first step is to get a cup of glue.
This is harder.
Yeah, it's hard. Squeeze! You need a whole cup.
This is harder.
Squeeze it. Come on, muscles. Ooh.
Now it's so bad. Come on, this is not the whole bottle. Oh, I hit. Look at that.
Alright, so we're going to take our glue and put it in. Just keep it off the middle. Get some regular old white Elmer's school glue. You need a teaspoon of baking soda. So take that and dump that in with our glue. Keep stirring that together. Gotta get all that stuff mixed in there, all that baking soda. Here. Harper said she wants to keep stirring. Wants to make it green, so we're gonna get a few drops of some limey green. Have to get the sides a little bit. For Harper to mix in while I get our next ingredient. So you get all that green mixed in there nice and good. We want a nice green color. So Harper's got the slime looking nice and green. We're gonna dump in the saline solution now. 1 tablespoon. And Harper's gonna start mixing that together. And I said it's gonna start pulling away from the sides. Oh yeah, it's coming already. Show us what you made, Harper.
I hate this. It's really goopy. This end's more than this end.
Pull it. Let's see. Does it stretch? Oh, holy cow. There it goes. Oh, what do you think? How does it feel?
It feels really weird.
Feels weird?
It
Is
feels
it like
like
sticky or
it's
slimy or
it's ewy.
ewy? Is it warm or cold?
It's cold.
Ah! Oh. Oh. Oh.
I know.
It is. It's very stringy. I think we made a mistake with the green color. It looks a little boogery. Oh.